Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the incumbent, is now 85 years old, and Ibrahim Raisi has been seen. Australia was likely to take at least 15 years and cost.
Oh, flashy, flashy. Oh, someone got the phone. È comodo. Hey, you cheeky prick. This idiot guy here. What? That sucks. Hey, I think,
Wi-Fi connected. Video protected. Video protected.
Fashion Capital is open today from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Chadston.com.au. Gold Mode 4.3. I'll check another traffic again in another 15 minutes. Coming up after 9.
Oh, nice one.
It's when we play a bunch of songs.
Nice one. It is.
Or a row. We can never remember which one's
Fuck it.
All time is White Snake, self-titled 1987, because that's what we used to listen to.
Yeah, just make your own lane.
Continue on State Route 9 for 1 kilometer.
And red light. Ka-ching! Red light runner. And there's a camera. So nice bill for you.
Impossible, roosters don't lay eggs.
That's right.
Very good. Oh, okay, this one, you girls will know this one.
Yes, good on you for listening carefully.
They're also a warlike race, very dangerous. If we try to coexist with them on the same planet.
Oh, don't fucking tell me you're doing what I think you're doing. You fucking knob.
This is nice. oh shit! What the fuck? Look at that dickhead.
That guy got a heart attack right there.
And he turned there. So.
There we go.
That's your pay today. No, it's a pay for the van for doing its job. Look at this muppet. Has to block a fucking intersection.
Turn right onto Dandenong Valley Highway, Stud Road.
And then I like stand my ground. If you fucking pull out, then I'm not. What the fuck? You fuckwit!
Play the good and the bad and the ugly and
Play both sides. Fuck, you're an idiot. Whoa, gotta recall that one. That was fucking stupid ass.
come on, dude, get around the... What the fuck are you doing? Don't let him in. It's not like you're going anywhere. Yeah. Fuck, are you kidding me? That's not a... I got all this on thing.
Calm down, look at this car in front of us. Oh, this car in front of us. Whoa, crazy people. What's going on?